hello teachers of Lingastar. Good day to all of you. So since my student is late for 7 minutes, I think he's already absent. So while waiting for him, or while waiting for my student, I will be sharing with you the new Lingastar update, system update of Lingastar rather. You know, it's been 6 months already, or 4 months. I wasn't able to conduct lessons here at Lingastar because of my health condition. So now I'm feeling good. So I'm back. I'm back teaching. And na-amaze talaga ako sa new update ng Lingostar. Ito yung na-add ng kanilang system, yung rewards nila, which is wala ito dati. This is very vital, very useful, especially for the kids and young learners. Right? We all know that props are really essential to capture and capture and motivate the students to speak more during the class and participate during the lesson. Yeah. May mga iba't ibang rewards, may emotions, may foods, may mga rewards, may mga letters, numbers, animals. Yeah, complete talaga siya. Very amazing. Oh yeah.